You know what's wild? Most women don't start looking older because of wrinkles. They start looking older the moment their clothes stop reflecting who they actually are. And I'm not talking about the obvious stuff like wearing dated jeans or an old handbag. I'm talking about the subtle energy leaks. Those little wardrobe choices that silently whisper, I'm hiding, I'm tired, I've stopped experimenting. Today I want to talk about those sneaky styling mistakes that age women. And I promise by the end of this video, you'll never look at your closet the same way again. Let's get into it. Here's the first one, and it's sneaky because most of us do it without thinking. You know those days when you throw an oversized top, baggy pants, and call it a safe outfit? I see you. The problem is, when we dress to disappear, we actually flatten our energy. Clothes aren't just fabrics. They are communication. They say something about how you feel, how you want to show up, and honestly, how alive you feel in your own skin. So even a tiny tweak, like swapping that shapeless top for a silk blouse that moves when you move and defines your silhouette better, styled with humble flip-flops, can completely change the message. Suddenly, instead of fading into the background, you're saying, I'm here, I matter, I'm fully present. Now let's talk about prints. Oh, prints. They can be your best friend or your sneaky enemy. I see so many women reach for the tiny, busy floral prints or those sad drab patterns because they feel safe. But honestly, those prints can really flatten your presence. Here's the rule I swear by. A print should wear you, not the other way around. Bold animal prints, organic tribal patterns, something with the space and flow. Those elevate your outfit and your energy. And they make you feel modern, even if you're not trying to follow any trend. This is a classic trap. We keep holding on to the pieces that used to work for us. Maybe it's the skinny jeans from 10 years ago, a skirt that fit perfectly in your 30s, or those heels that made you feel fierce back then. But style evolves with you. If your wardrobe is stuck in the past, it ages you. Not physically, but energetically. Updating proportions, swapping into a modern blazer, experimenting with a new silhouette. These are small changes with a huge impact. You're not reinventing yourself. You're just bringing your wardrobe into alignment with the woman you are today. And here is a subtle psychological trap. The need to look perfect. You know what I mean? The outfit is perfectly matched, every accessory aligned, hair polished, makeup flawless. It seems harmless, but actually perfection is aging. Why? Because perfection doesn't move, it doesn't breathe, it doesn't have life. And life is what makes an outfit and a woman youthful. Add in a not so perfectly tucked in blouse, a slightly rose sleeve, a messy bun, or layered jewelry that isn't perfectly matched. And suddenly the outfit has energy, movement, and presence. Effortless style always feels alive. Let's be honest, we all want comfort, but there's a difference between comfort that feels stylish and comfort that just hides you. I see women reaching for frumpy flats or old sneakers that kill posture and energy. And while those shoes are practical, they subtly age your whole look. Modern comfort is possible. Boat shoes, kitten heel sandals, flip-flop wedges, nothing needs to be very high, but still support your feet and command a little energy. Presence over complacency, always. Now, texture is so underrated, but it's a huge key to ageless style. Flat fabrics, stiff synthetics, monotone textures, they flatten your look and your presence. I love mixing fabrics, silk pants with a denim shirt, matte with sheen, soft with tailored. It's dynamic, it flows, it has depth, and depth equals energy. That's why when you move, your outfit moves with you. And suddenly, you don't just look stylish, you look alive. Okay, let's talk about the face. Makeup is amazing, but overcompensating can age you in the blink of an eye. Thick foundation, heavy or misplaced liner, matte lipstick. These things flatten your figures and suck the light out of your face. Instead, think soft cream blush, lightly defined eyes, glossy lips. Use makeup to highlight and celebrate, not hide. When your makeup moves with you instead of sitting like a mask, you radiate vitality. That glow is worth 10 anti-aging products. You know how layering should feel effortless and chic, but sometimes it just doesn't? That because it's not just about what's on top, it's about how it sits on your body and how it communicates your energy. Here's the sneaky trap. You might throw on a long, loose cardigan over fitted pants and thinking this is comfortable and safe. But what happens is that your shape gets swallowed. Your energy gets muted and suddenly you look heavier, older, or just tired. The clothing isn't moving with you. It's working against you. And here's the psychology behind it. When your outfit doesn't align with your posture, your proportions, or your natural movement, it signals fatigue and retreat. People read that energy, even subconsciously, and it ages your presence. Now the fun part, how to fix it. Think about layering as an opportunity to highlight your shape instead of hiding it, but also to energize your look. So keep them light and colorful. A crop jacket over a red turtleneck creates a depth and interest while keeping the silhouette slim. A structure coat over a colorful soft V-neck pullover and a black turtleneck gives dimension while keeping your silhouette energized. Even something as simple as leaving a stiff trench coat open instead of belted allows a vertical line that elongates and energizes your whole look. The magic trick? Layer with intention. Always ask yourself, does this layer support my energy or dilute it? Because layers aren't just about warmth or style. They're about presence. Now, this is one of my favorite hidden style mistakes because it's so subtle. And yes, it ages you faster than a bad print or mismatched shoes. Think about your favorite heavy polyester pants or a stiff jacket that pins your shoulders down. Sure, it fits, but it doesn't move. Every step feels slightly constrained, every gesture feels heavier, and your natural posture changes. your body isn't flowing, your energy isn't flowing, and people read that instantly. Psychologically speaking, heavy or stiff fabrics subconsciously communicate rigidity, lack of ease, and even I'm hiding energy. And let me tell you, rigidity ages faster than wrinkles ever could. Here's how to fix it. Choose fabrics that move with your body. Silks, lightweight wools, soft knits, or blends that drape naturally. Even a lightweight trench coat will make you look taller and more confident than a stiff, boxy one. Movement isn't just aesthetic, it transmutes vitality. Here's a simple task. Walk around in your outfit. If it restricts your steps, your gestures, or the way your arms swing naturally, it's probably aging you. Swap it for something lighter, softer, or more fluid. And notice how instantly taller, freer, and more youthful you feel. This is a big one. So many women ask, will people judge me before they even put an outfit on? And just like that, your style shrinks. Every time you play it safe to avoid judgment, you shrink your vocabulary of self-expression. But the women who look ageless, they're curious, not fearful. They take small risks, a bold scarf, a statement shoe, a bright lip, a sexy cutout, because they care about expressing themselves, not everyone else's approval. And finally, the big picture. Your outfit is emotional communication. Every piece you wear sends a message about how you feel. When you dress without intention, just because it fits or it's comfortable, that message flattens. But when you ask yourself, what do I want to feel today? Even a white t-shirt and jeans can radiate confidence. Intentional dressing isn't about looking younger. It's about looking alive. Now here's the truth. Women don't age because of wrinkles. They age when they stop experimenting, stop expressing, and stop showing up as themselves. So update prints, texture, proportions, shoes, and makeup. But more importantly, update your mindset. Because when you align your energy with your wardrobe, you don't just look younger. You look vibrant, confident, and unstoppable. If this resonated with you, hit subscribe. Here we don't talk about dressing for your age. We talk about dressing for your energy. Thanks so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, everyone.